This is my room, which I actually altered a bit to make my video look somewhat more professional. Hey, what is up, guys? This is Syed back on Masterminds, and welcome to 2021 YouTube Studio Tour of my channel. As you all know, my previous videos are without lighting, so in this video, I will be showing you guys the updated studio tour of my channel studio and what and all are the equipments that I have included to make my this video into. This is my personal room where I actually record my YouTube videos. You might be expecting that there is a problem with the video, but actually it is not. I have turned off all the lights in order to show you the difference in the actual lighting and the studio lighting and all. So what and all are the small tweaks that I have made in order to make my video better with my brother's suggestion on my room. So first of all, let me show you the normal lighting. So this is the normal lighting setup. I have a tripod here with my spare mobile phone to record my videos. So this was my first setup. I actually used this one and I started using the normal lighting what I had in my room for my videos. That didn't actually gone well. This is the first light for the background. As of my brother's suggestion, I used a blue color light and I just used a normal mobile stand to attach it, and I just like wired it in my normal socket, and this gives me a cool background. Even if you check in this video, the background looks very nice. It has a very calm blue color, and one thing I notice now is that you see this yellow ball, guys, it actually highlights in this blue color if you are planning to make these changes in your studio as well. So please stay tuned and watch the end result, how I actually tune in the all lightings to make it match exactly the way how I want. Now you might be seeing difference in the background. From blue it has a pinkish or purplish light mixed in it. It is because of this serial light what I have just added in my background. Let me set the frame for you guys to show you how it actually looks. So if you check, it looks really nice, guys. So if you are focusing the camera on your face and making the background a bit blur, it will be a perfect background for you. Even in the empty background wall, I can put up some YouTube logos or my channel logo, whatever I want. So this serial light didn't cost me a lot. It is a cheap light which is available in all of our local markets. We can purchase it for like 100 rupees max, and this light as well, it is 100 rupees. I asked this light as a fish tank light, 1 feet fish tank LED light. So there are variety of colors available for this light. You can use whatever the color you want. For my preference, I used blue color. Here I have a ring light, which is the actual focus light, or I can say diffused fill light for the video. So this is what makes me highlight in the background. If we combine this by adjusting the brightness given in this, there is 3 colors in this product. Let me just show you this one, and full ambient and pure white. Yeah, so there is 3 different colors. It actually mixes very well with the background, and if you check the end result, you will have a perfect lighting on your face and on the background as well. One more thing is the tripod, which I actually bought as a combo with this one. This product is coming with this ring light, so I thought without a tripod what should I do with a ring light, so I bought it with this one. And I'm using the small tripod as usually for my mobile phone, what I am using normally.